Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to be a mobile valeter in the rain basically. Got two cars in for the video, I'm just going to put two in. The first one will be a Land Rover Discovery Sport and the second will be a Range Rover SVR. So yeah, let's crack on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, so that's the first car done of the day. Land Rover Discovery Sport, in for its bi-weekly clean. So yeah, I come here every 2 weeks to give this an outside valet. Yeah, just keep it looking fresh really. So yeah, I'll do a little cinematic and show you the afters. So thanks for watching the video. just kind of showed you what it's like for me to work in the rain, really. So the first job was just a very basic exterior valet, which is requested from the client every 2 weeks, which I carry out. So yeah, so it's wheels, arches, door shuts, obviously wash the car, 2-bucket method, pre-wash, no foam, and then put a sealant on it. And then the SVR is a bit more of a in-depth clean, but it's still quite similar. But luckily, when Paul is at work, that's the guy that has the SVR, I can pull it in, dry it like you've seen in the video. And yeah, it just makes life so much easier for me and for him when it's raining as well. And if he doesn't want to drive it home and get it dirty again, then he can jump in his daughter's car or something like that. But I think he does just drive it home. So, but then again, I am washing it every 2 weeks, and it's more so to keep on top of the condition of the cars. So some people see it as a waste of money, but for me and many other mobile valeters and detailers that I know, that I follow on social media, that follow me and that I talk to, we all require either a deep clean or a full valet to get onto our maintenance plans. So it is, like I said, more of maintaining the vehicle and keeping on top of the condition, because it's fine for like going to your car wash and just getting a wash whenever you feel like it. But for us, we have a standard that we've set, so we like to keep up with that standard. And all the customers and clients, they all respect that. Obviously, that's what they want. They want the best for their car. They always want to make sure their car's worth something when it comes to selling it as well, where you've got a lot of people that don't care, and then it comes to the end of their lease or they want to sell it and it's had a hard life and they book in for just a deep clean expecting the car to be perfect, and it's never going to happen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Just message me on my social media or in the comment section below, and I'm sure I'll crack on with them all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.